you'll be able to share this online and even send via email as well too. So it's a very simple tool. Let me present my screen here. Give me a second. Okay, let's go. So I think I am presenting. Let me know if I'm not. I think I'm good. Yep. Okay, good. So perfect. It's just taking some time. I got like dial-up internet here sometimes. All right, so when we are using Vidyard, it is a Google Chrome extension. So it's this little green guy up here. The easiest way to download this is just to Google Vidyard Chrome extension. And once this is, you'll just click one of the links here. The second one's great. You don't have to let Vidyard pay for the advertisement. But you can join the Chrome extension, and once you attach it, once you install it, you need a Gmail account, guys. So make sure you do create a Gmail account to have access to the Chrome store, but you guys most likely know that. Once you add this to your Chrome store, a little green guy will pop up. If it doesn't pop up, you can go to your Chrome extensions button here and pin this to your toolbar. And then afterwards, the tool itself is very easy to use. When we click Vidyard to record, it's going to give you multiple recording options. Bear with me here as I am sharing my screen. It's a little slow. So Vidyard gives you 3 types of video recordings. You guys will most likely only be recording your screen and camera. So when I use screen and camera, Vidyard allows me to record 3 types of screen recordings. And again, sorry, internet is slow today. So here I'm able, and I'm using the wrong camera. I'm actually using my laptop. So let me just, doesn't matter. So when I click record here, you don't have to be on camera, by the way, guys. You can just do screen only. Screen and cam allows you to present as well. Here you'll notice when what pops out, it says, okay, do you want the entire screen to be recorded? Do you just want to record websites? So you can just record Google Chrome and walk through different tabs. Or you can record specific web pages as well. So it's up to you on how you want to present your applications. But however you want to record, you'll just simply click, I'm just going to record Gmail because it's open right now. Again, you don't have to be on camera. You can turn off your camera as well. And you'll just click share. So what's going to happen is it's going to give me a countdown. And it'll be a lot more smoother. I'm just obviously sharing my screen here. But now I can actually present anything on my screen. You can walk through the applications, do a test run, showcase whatever you need. You're able to draw on the screen as well in case you need to highlight anything specific on the page. We can pause the recording if you guys do need to take a break. But if you can do a one-shot take, that's awesome. Once you're done, you'll just click stop. If you need to restart, you can click the restart button. Afterwards, when you click stop, your video is pretty much done. It takes you to a page where it'll edit the video asset. And you don't have to edit anything crazy. Change the title, name it appropriately when you're submitting this. And you can share this through multiple channels as well. We can share via email, but most likely you guys will be uploading to a web page, so you'll just be sharing a link. Of course, it's rendering, taking its time. Again, it's just I'm showcasing my screen here. That's why my internet's a little delayed. We can test video. We can title the video appropriately. And then after the video is done rendering, essentially you can change what the video will look like in the email. If you are submitting an email, right, we can change the image. They click play. You can make it animated, but this may be unnecessary. Once you're happy with the video, you can play it back, and then you can actually copy the link and share it directly. You could share it to multiple social networks if needed, or if you need to send via email, Gmail will automatically have a video button inserted when you download the Chrome extension. So essentially, when you click the Vidyard button, it'll bring up the library of all the video content you've created. So the video I've just created here, I'm able to just insert, and it'll populate the video in the email. A link will display here in the email. You can tidy this up. It's just because sometimes when you are prospecting or communicating in B2B emails, unfortunately, businesses will block images sometimes. So this is just a default link. But essentially, your video is good to go. When you click the button, it'll bring them to the page where you can watch the video asset. So now this is a presentation, it's live, it's in the cloud, so anybody can have access to this video. And then when somebody actually watches the video, you guys will actually get notified how long someone engaged with the content. Again, you guys are just submitting your applications in the apps you're working on. But in future reference, you can always send content to people and understand how long people are engaging with the content. And anything on my screen. So that's pretty much how this tool works. It's very easy to record. As you can see, when I recorded with the Chrome tab only, no background was displayed, no bookmarks, no additional applications. So all depends on what you're trying to present. You can do your full desktop. You can do specific web pages, however you want to record. And then again, when you are sharing this video, you can just share the link as well and submit it through the portal that you need to submit your application. So it's a very straightforward application here. Again, how this works is click the Vidyard button, showcase how you want to record. You can be on camera. You don't have to be on camera. If you ever want to just send like a selfie style video as well to the internet, you can do camera only. But again, you guys will most likely be showcasing your screen, so you don't have to be on camera as well. So click record and submit the link, and you're pretty much good to go. You'll get notifications if you were to send via email. Someone will actually, Vidyard will actually tell you how long someone's watched your video. So you'll start to get notifications in your inbox directly when someone engages with the content. So if you start seeing 100% view rates, this is perfect because people enjoyed your video. So I'm not sure how long your video assets have to be. You can record up to hours with this tool, so no need to obviously be worried about the length of video. But you'll get notified when people watch. It'll be sent directly to your email, as well as it'll publish a notification in the application itself too. So you don't have to worry or worry when someone's going to engage with the content. You will be notified when your video has been viewed. So that's pretty much it in terms of how this tool works. Again, this was going to be a quick presentation to make it very easy for you guys to submit applications without having to present live. Any questions around how this tool works, how to download, I'm happy to help out. And we can open microphone too. It doesn't have to be chat as well.
Good stuff. Thanks for that, Jacob. Yeah, just echoing that. Any questions? Okay. If there's no questions, yeah, we certainly feel free to reach out on Discord if there's questions that come up that you have later. But Jacob, certainly appreciate the time you took to share this with us today. Pretty good tool for all the participants today. So really appreciate it.
Exactly. Yeah, and obviously for applications and for this contest, of course, it's going to be easy for judges to just watch your content. But think about using this in your day-to-day life if you are working full-time for organizations. Instead of always having to hop on Zoom or Google Meets with employees or teammates, you can just record a session and send it out. So easy communication tool without having to waste hours of the day online and on live calls when you can just solve it with an email. So like I said, happy to help out. Any questions, you guys can send me an email. But if you guys are building apps for space, I don't think you guys will feel that this is an issue or a hard tool to use. So just want to make your life a little easier when communicating for this contest.
Great. All right. Well, on behalf of everyone, thanks very much, Jacob. Really appreciate it.
Anytime. Well, good luck. Have fun and try and enjoy some time of the weekend if you can. But thanks for having me, guys.
Great. Thank you.
Take care.